What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be updating the ZeroTrace. So the ZeroTrace is a pen testing gadget. It's fairly new on this channel, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the firmware on it. So right here I'm on the ZeroTrace dashboard, which is really well done and nice. I'm going to go down here to firmware. Okay, I'm going to click on flash firmware. And there's my device right there, so it's connected to that. Connect. ZeroTrace Pro firmware, stable. And they said do not click this. I think if you do this, it deletes the license. I mean, you can always get it back, but it's just a little bit, it's just a little tricky and a headache. So just leave that alone. Other devices, I usually do erase the original firmware, but you don't necessarily have to do that. So for this case, we're not going to do that. So let's go ahead and move down to next. I'm going to install it. Not quite, never noticed. So we got a little blue light. That's new. All right, just like that, we're already installing the firmware. So I think we're less than a minute in, and we're already almost done. So I'm gonna cut to when it's finished. So I'll see you in a second. All right, just like that, we are done. So it's that simple. I mean, you get to the dashboard, you go ahead and click on firmware, flash firmware, connect your device. After you're done connecting your device, hit flash, do not hit erase, and then before you know it, you're done. And that's why when I say this is a beginner-friendly gadget, I'm saying it's a beginner-friendly gadget that was fairly simple. These web flashers are amazing and make life so much easier. So before I end this video, I want to actually log into this device to show you what it looks like. All right, and just like that, we are connected to the ZeroTrace. So to connect to this device, what you need to do is connect to it over Wi-Fi connection. Once you make that connection, you type in this IP address right here. And I'm going to leave all this stuff in the description. So if you guys get your device, you're curious on how to use it, you want to just double check that your firmware actually installed, I'll leave everything in there for you. So you see this nice, beautiful web UI here. Everything is right there. Plain text, play the C, nice and organized. You got nice little toggle switches. You can mess with your settings as well. There's so much you can do with this device. I'm going to be diving deeper into that at some point. But this video, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to update and to flash new firmware to it. These web flashes are great. They make life so much easier. And the ZeroTrace is just a nice beginner-friendly device. That's why I like it so much. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, safety is an illusion. And I'll see you guys in the next video.